My name is Anthony Kuria, and I head the Tropical Biology Association office in Nairobi. And I'm very glad to be speaking to you as part of the 2021 Optimism event in Nairobi. Africa is very rich in biodiversity, including some of the most unique environments and landscape you can think of. And for people everywhere, quality of life depends on resources that nature provides. Much of this biodiversity, whether occurring in protected areas like parks and reserves, or outside protected areas where actually much of biodiversity occurs, is under much pressure. This means we need to sustainably manage these resources, and that requires people with the right skills and support so that they can have an impact on the ground. In this talk, I'm going to share with you how the Tropical Biology Association is contributing to better conservation by investing in people through training, something that we've been doing over the last 2.5 decades. And I must state that myself, I'm a proud product of the Tropical Biology Association trainings. TBA key mission is to ensure there is enough conservation biologists out there who are taking care of our precious biodiversity, species on all environment. The TBA training and support is giving people practical training that they usually do not have access to, or what universities are not actually providing. This means giving aspiring conservation biologists the practical training and expertise that they need to start a career in conservation, as well as giving conservation professionals the extra capacity that they need so that they can have a tangible impact on the ground through their work. To achieve this, we offer field courses that are launching careers of young conservationists who later on go to deliver real work on the ground. Our field courses target early career conservationists who've just finished their university and who are looking to join the real world in conservation, thus giving them that extra push just at the right time as they start their conservation career. We also run tailor-made training courses for practicing conservation careers to plug specific skills gap they identify as a priority. The training particularly target staff or conservation organizations that are working on the ground who are able to apply their skills immediately in their work. This increased capacity enables organizations that are responsible for managing our natural resources to respond more effectively and rapidly to national or regional priorities in conservation. Underpinning the training we offer is collaboration and networks. And as TBA, we strongly believe in partnership. This ensures that the training we offer is matched to regional or national priorities and ensures that people we train are committed to a long life career in conservation. Time and again, the young people we train on our field courses tell us the training we offered them deepened their understanding and engagement in conservation. And indeed, it's the reason why they are in conservation in the first place. This is partly because we offer training at the right time when people have just finished their degree and are looking to join the real conservation world. And that timing is usually very crucial, preparing them and giving them the confidence to join conservation world. It's also because the training we offer them is practical and relevant and is based on real world conservation. For instance, the participants of the TBA field courses are immersed in a month-long of learning, and students are able to learn a lot more about the complex environment that they work in, whether it's a forest or a savanna, and be able to meet the people who are actually involved in managing those environments.
So this is the first digit, the term, second digit, third, fourth, fifth. So there are 5 fingers. Yeah. They are not wings, joined by a very thin membrane, very thin skin between them. So the word Chiroptera, which is a scientific name for birds, Greek word means hand wing. Hand wing.
And our courses are multicultural, and we bring people from different parts of the world so that they can learn from each other and be exposed to new horizons. This approach is brilliant at creating new collaborations afterward. In fact, our network of TBA alumni spans over 80 countries, the whole world, including 28 countries in Africa. That's about half of the countries in the continent. Our courses are having a lasting impression, and already they are in 15 conservation groups set up by people we've trained who have come together to share ideas and also do something for their environment in their own countries and share their knowledge with their communities and ensure whatever they learned on the TBA courses they can be able to implement on the ground. This legacy is something that we are really proud about. And in fact, we've launched career of over 2,000 individuals, 98% of whom are now working in conservation. Among those is George Muigai, who together with communities in Kenya are saving cranes and protecting their wetland habitats that the crane depends so importantly, that the crane depend for their breeding. As a result of this work, Lake Orborosat has been gazetted as a protected wetland in Kenya. In Ghana, Karebo Fori, together with Gilbert Adum, have set up a reserve, the first of its kind, to save the critically endangered Togo slippery frog. The reserve is also important for communities because it's providing them with clean water. A common response we receive from people we've trained is that Tropical Biology Association gives people the confidence and expertise that they would not have been exposed to before. After the course, people say that they get inspired to take a long life career in conservation and tackle the challenges they face. Many have grown in their careers, leading government departments or founding new organizations through which they are able to influence policies and practice benefiting people and the environment in the areas they work in. Iroro Intanshi from Nigeria, for instance, is the country's leading bat biologist. She's helping build understanding and knowledge of this often maligned group of species, showing that they are the main dispenser of seed for the shea butter, a key export crop for Nigeria. And this is helping her community understand the importance of this species of bats, and this is helping more conserve rather than persecute bats. In Kenya, Margaret Awol has created awareness among communities living in Akara Hills, helping restore the hilltops that are so important for communities in their livelihoods. This example, though only showing only a small part of the impact we are having, shows that training at the right time and place can have a long-standing impact. In conclusion, Tropical Biology Association investment in people through training has resulted in wide-ranging results. Through this legacy, the Tropical Biology Association is very proud to be making a positive contribution to conservation across the world.